Yo, coming at you with the paper lanterns plus the solo. You know, I actually know that bitch. Sounds better with distortion, but fuck it, whatever. Anyways, so this song is in D standard tuning, the 448 hertz. I'll explain it in another video. The pickup selector, this little bitch is on the bridge pickup, so I mean it's all the way down here, and yeah, that's it. Anyways, so it's gonna start off with the intro that goes like this. So that's the intro, you know, we do that 4 times. I did it 4 times just now, you know, so like this is 1. So that's pretty easy. It's just a power chord right here starting on the 7th fret of the low E, and then the 9th fret of the A, and then the 9th fret of the fucking D. And so you're gonna hit that once. And then you're going to come over here to the A power chord, hit it twice. So the A power chord is pretty easy, just, you know, 5 on A, 5 on low E, and then 7 on the A and D. So, something that I think you should do, I don't know for sure if he does in the song, I wasn't paying that much attention, but like, when I strike this chord, I mute it afterwards, so it doesn't ring out forever like this. I go, you know, so I'm pretty sure that's how he does it in the song too. So, and then, you know, also mute that one, and then you're gonna come down here to do an E power chord, which is just, you know, 7 on the A, 9 on the D, 9 on the G, and you're gonna hit that twice. But you're gonna mute after the first time, and then do it again. So like, so you're good. And then after you hit that twice, you're gonna actually want to like lift your fingers and strike like that. So, and then you're gonna hit like that. So. You don't have to go. I mean, you can, but I'm pretty sure he doesn't. Sorry. I'm just gonna hit it twice like that. But after you hit it the first time, just lift your hands up so it doesn't ring out like this. You know, so like that. So. You're gonna hit it twice, and then a third time really quick, like that. And so like that's kind of how the whole thing goes. I'm gonna play again one more time pretty slow. I don't actually know if he does it all downstroke. I'm pretty sure you can change it like you know, you can fuck around like that, but that's how he does it. I'm pretty sure like that's a pretty good way to do it. You know, after you go, you just start it over again. Anyways, you do that 4 times, and then comes a verse that goes like this. I'm sorry, I forgot it. Because I learned how to do it like this. Fuck. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna replay it. Okay. that's the whole verse. You know, we're just gonna do that once. And so it's gonna start off on a B power chord. So that's 2 on the A, and that's 4 on the D, and then that's 4 on the G. And then when I said I learned it this way, is because you can play it over here. It's just whenever I watched like 3 videos of Green Day play live, fuck while and drink water. Yeah, I watched them play live, like 3 videos of them playing live, and they always played the intro like right here, and then the verses and chorus up here. But anyways, so yeah, it's gonna start on a B power chord. You're just gonna do that standard, you know, strum. So yeah, I'll do it slowly in case you don't know it. And then we're gonna come over to a power chord up here, which is just 2 on the low E, and then 4 on the A, and 4 on the D. So wait, no, I don't think we do that last part. So it's just, yeah, like that. So and then after that we go over to a low E power chord. So we're gonna do 0 on the low E, and then you're gonna have your I have my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, and my ring on the on the 2nd fret of the D. And then I'm gonna have my index finger on the 1st fret of the G, as if I were gonna do a E major, but you're just gonna have it touching the string. Don't actually press down, so it mutes like that. See? And so you're just gonna strum the chord, because you're gonna go like this. You know? So you're just gonna like strike the chord and try to mute all the low strings on the bottom. And then when you come back up with your wrist, you're gonna want to hit the high E and the B string, and just 0 on the high E and B. You're gonna both of them like that. So like that. So and then come back to the B power chord. So from the beginning we have so that's one section, and then if you need to go back and just slow it down, we can do that. The next one's gonna which is pretty easy. So it's just the B power chord, and then we're gonna go to an A power chord. So that's just 0 on the A, and then 2 on the D, and 2 on the G. So, and then we're gonna come over here to this E power chord on the D string though. So it's 2 on the D, and then 4 on the G, and 5 on the B. So like that. So and then anyways, I think yeah, so then after that we're just gonna do so yeah, you just could do that one more time, and then that's the whole verse, and then the chorus goes like this. And then it goes back to an intro. But so that's just a low E power chord, and you're gonna go like this. So just follow that pattern, like down, over to the 2nd fret on the low E power chord. Just downstroke it, and then, you know. And then that pattern you did over here, you're gonna do the same thing over here on the B power chord, the 2nd fret of the A, but you're gonna actually like kind of move your fingers up so it doesn't ring out. You're gonna go like, see over here we just let it ring out, but over here we're gonna go like, so. See, like that. It's basically the combined rhythm of this, but all in this power chord. So it's just, and then raise, and then raise, and then, so. So I'm just gonna play the whole thing slowly so you can follow along. And then the next part just goes, and just, so you're just gonna strum that once, and then kind of give it some space, and then keep strumming. And then you're gonna come over to the 4th fret on the low E, and then, you know, 6 on the D, on the A and D. So, and then back over to an A power chord, and then you're just gonna hit the E power chord, and that's it. And then you come back to an intro 2 times. And then we go back to a verse. And then a chorus. And then a bridge, which is just the intro 4 times. And then comes a solo, which I'll teach you right now. So that's gonna start off like this. So that's gonna be 7 on the G, and then after you pick it once, you're gonna mute it like that. So, and then you're gonna hit 9 on the D string. So, and then come back and hit the 7 on the G, and then mute it twice really fast, like that. So, I'll play it slowly. And then after that, you're gonna hit 9 on the G, and you're gonna bend up and do this, which is pretty easy. So you're just gonna bend up, kind of let go, and then you're gonna hit 7 on the B, and then high E string, and then you're gonna come back to the 9 on the G and bend up again, like that. So from the beginning we have, and then after you do that, you're gonna actually come over to the 7 and mute it twice again pretty fast, because it's gonna want to sound like this, like that, like pretty fast, like pretty soon after. So you're gonna want to practice that rhythm. So I'll play the whole thing slow that I've just taught you. And then after you do that twice, you're gonna hit the 7th fret on the G, the 9th fret on the G. You're gonna bend upwards and kind of take it slow and release, and then pull off to 7. Pick 7. So yeah, you're gonna bend upwards and release, and then you're gonna pick 7 like that, and then you're gonna mute 7 once, and then you're gonna pull from 9 to 7, So 9, bend and release, 7, mute 7, 9 to 7 release. So that's gonna be what it sounds like. And then after you pull off like that, you're gonna hit 7 twice again, but you're not gonna mute. And then you're gonna pull from 9 to 7 again. But right after you pull off, you're gonna bend from 9 up, and then you're gonna hit 10 on the high E string. The high E string. So like that. And I'm pretty sure in the song I can kind of hear him also grab the 10 on the B, like that. Just vaguely grabbing the 10 on the B, like kind of lightly. So don't be afraid to grab both of those, but it's fine. Anyways, I'm gonna play what I taught you from the beginning. And then after that, you're gonna go like this. So you're just gonna hit 7 on the G and B string 4 times. And then you're gonna hit, but that's all gonna be muted, so. So after you go like that. But what I forgot I didn't tell you what that was. So that's 9 on the D, and then 7 on the D, and then 9 on the A, and then 8 on the A, and then 7 on the A, and then that's 10 on the A, low E. So, because then after that we're gonna go like. And so that's actually pretty easy. Like you're just gonna hit 7 on the D twice, and then you're gonna hit 9 on the D and pull off to 7, and then hit 9 on the A, back to 7 on the D, to 9 on the D. So I'll play what it's supposed to sound like from the beginning. And I'll play it slow so you can play along. And then the last part's pretty easy. It's just going to be. So that's what that is just on the 7 on the A, you're going to bend down and then hit 7 on the A and then hit 5 on the A. So, and then hit 7 on the low E and then hit 9 on the D. So that's how I do it. I just kind of grab it with my ring finger and then grab this last 9 on the D with my pinky. And then after you do that, then you're gonna do a pick slide. I mean, you're gonna want to wait, a couple seconds, but then you do the pick slide. And then after that comes a chorus. And then the outro, which is just the intro 4 more times. That's another thing. On the last time you do that, after you hit it twice, you're gonna want to wait a little bit, let it ring out, and then hit it 1 more time, and then the song's actually over. Like. maybe slide down, whatever. But anyways, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hope this helps. Peace.